Before diving into creating a Europa-themed background with AI tools like ChatGPT, it's essential to understand the importance of clear and specific instructions. The quality of results heavily depends on how well you articulate your expectations. For instance, in an earlier example, I uploaded an image and instructed ChatGPT to alter its colors. Interestingly, it generated a Python script to achieve this transformation. I tried a few iterations, but the results didn't align with my vision. While this showcased ChatGPT's versatility, the outcome fell short of expectations. To address this, I refined my instructions and specified using DALL-E, an AI-driven image creation tool, which produced a much better result. However, I wasn't specific enough about the size of the image, as I needed it to match PowerPoint's dimensions. When I asked for the dimensions to be adjusted, the image was processed through another Python script, but ended up distorted. Finally, I requested a new version with the correct dimensions, and after further adjustments, such as removing some text and a flag, we achieved the desired result. This process underscores the importance of being specific in your instructions.